Talking about impressive wall clouds taking shape over the Big Apple yesterday. Storms pounding the I-95 corridor on Friday, cutting out power to thousands of Americans. It was a level 1 flood threat back on the board today from Pennsylvania to Virginia. And that action, by the way, all continues over the Midwest tomorrow. It's an impressive multi-day flash flood threat setting up, fueled by the Gulf moisture. Now, that atmospheric moisture will be conducive for more severe storms on Monday, along with damaging winds. That, my friends, will be the main threat moving forward. Thank you so much for making us a part of your Saturday. It's your 8th day of August. I'm Michael Estime alongside Jane Menard and Bain Froney on Fox Weather and Fox Business. Let me just say this. Someone here got caught up in those storms yesterday, Jane.
Listen, it's nice being a meteorologist, but you can't dodge every storm. And yes, those storms came in a hurry yesterday afternoon.
Yes, they did. Bain, listen to this. Yeah. Did you hear that person?
Oh,
Beeps.
I can't blame them because I think I would be doing some beeps too. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this was in North Bergen, New Jersey yesterday. We're talking severe storms blasting the 95 corridor. Tens of thousands of homes across New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania lost power at the height of the storm. We're talking about rainfall anywhere between like 3 to 6+ inches in spots. And that led to a number of storm reports up and down, not just I-95, but also parts of the interior. You can see it right there. And at least one tornado report. You can see it right there as well. Let's zero in, though, on the Northeast, because this was really the trouble spot, with some spots, as we mentioned, 3 to 5+ inches of rain just in a quick period, literally over the matter of a few hours. Although this does show our 24-hour rainfall. And when that blasted through, my goodness, it knocked down trees and power lines and everything in between. Jane, we start the morning with that level 1 flash flood threat, because later on this afternoon, right around 4, 5, and 6 p.m., more rain in the forecast. There is a severe thunderstorm warning I do want to let you know about. This is in southern Ohio. This is toward places like Tuscarawas County, toward what's called Janadah. That's how you pronounce this city name. I used to live there.
There you go. You used to live there.
I used to, well, not specifically Janadah, but
nearby,
I used to
close enough.
Live in Cleveland. I worked in the TV market down that way. And so from like New Philadelphia toward Janadah, we would be down there all the time covering severe storms.
Well,
and that's exactly what they're saying this morning.
Here we are this morning. You know, there is going to be that isolated severe weather risk as the day continues to open up. This morning, pretty impressive, though, to get that energy up on the board. Not surprised, similar footprint to what we saw yesterday. Philadelphia, D.C., Baltimore. Now, just because New York is on the outskirts doesn't mean we couldn't get clipped by one of these showers or thunderstorms later into the day. But it is a very repeatable pattern. We'll wake up. You already felt it this morning. The humidity. Woo.
Yeah, it's out there.
No clearing that after our storms yesterday evening. And so it's back, it's uncomfortable, and that soupy air is going to help fuel these thunderstorms later today.
Yeah, I'm thinking 4, 5, 6 p.m. this evening, so right around your drive home, if you are going to work, or maybe you're grabbing dinner with the friends and family for your Saturday evening, it is going to be a wet and wild go of things once again. Jane got caught up in it yesterday. Jane, umbrellas. Okay, dinner time
I did
tonight.
have umbrellas, but let me tell you, it was no match. No match for those winds. It was wild. The rain was coming down so heavy. By the way, there was also a lot of lightning.
There was a tremendous amount of lightning. I actually caught I've tried this for years, Jane, trying to catch like a photo of lightning. I finally did it yesterday.
You did. Michael showed it off for me. Maybe we can show you guys. Hopefully we'll get it in. But, you know, it was a very kinetic, chaotic evening. We cleared them storms off to the east. We had a nice night. And I think through the day today into this weekend, I mean, enjoy the beach time. Much like yesterday, it's the place to be to beat the heat and humidity. But just keep an eye to the sky. Look, like I said, New York, we could possibly see those storms right around the same time frame, 5, 6 o'clock this evening. They push in quickly, they move out fast, but they leave behind quite the deluge. Baltimore, same picture.
Yeah, again, right around dinner time tonight in Baltimore down toward Washington, D.C. I think now through lunchtime. So breakfast looks great, brunch looks great, lunch looks great. It's dinner time tonight. Again, you can see it right there, 3, 4, 5 p.m. That's going to be the target time once again for seeing those showers and those thunderstorms roll on through. And it's not just parts of the Northeast, it's also parts of the South.